In today's drive-by from Condo Sidekick, we're going to take a look at the progress being made on the development of Inman Crossing in Inman Square, Cambridge, Massachusetts. Another level has been added to the steel framing since last month, so let's go take a look. So after looking up Cambridge Street towards Inman Square, we're now walking up Columbia Street towards Inman Crossing, which is a brand new 35-unit condo development under construction just outside Inman Square. And right now you'll notice that we're passing by the Blue Bikes, which was formerly known as the Hubway, and walking towards Inman Crossing, which is technically at 305 Webster Avenue, the intersection of Webster Avenue and Columbia Streets. So we're coming up to an advertisement on the outside of Inman Crossing, so you can read real quick about that. And we're also going to look briefly at the inside, and we're going to come back in a second, but the last time we saw Inman Crossing, it was just up to one story, and now we're seeing at the second story steel framing in development. You'll also notice that the parking garage has been poured and enclosed, so the development is really coming along really well for completion next year. So Inman Crossing, again, is a 35-unit condo development with a retail component on the bottom. It's between Inman Square and Union Square, so the location is great for all the dining and shopping and nightlife you may possibly need or want. But that is Inman Crossing in Inman Square.